Hey guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today we have just unbox and review the Sennheiser 4.5 BTH headphones. So these are the Bluetooth noise cancellation headphones. So these are a premium category of headphones which comes with great noise cancellation. So here you can see that here is the box pack of Sennheiser HD 4.50 Bluetooth headphones. So this is priced at 14,990 rupees, and you can buy it from online stores. Links to purchase will be in the description. So inside the box we get this aux cable in case you don't want to use it on Bluetooth. Then we have the charging cable. Then we get some booklets that how you can use your Sennheiser HD Bluetooth headphones. You can give feedback. Then we get a great pouch in which you can just store your headphones and you can put up your aux cable, etc. So here is the headphone itself. You can see that it looks pretty premium, and also it's not too heavy. It's around 200 grams and fits in your head perfectly. The headphones are a comfortable fit and you can easily wear it for 3 to 4 hours. You can see that the cushions are pretty comfortable and they are quite comfy when you are wearing it. Now coming to the sound quality of the headphones, it offers decent bass, has loud volume, and if you are a kind of person who likes to listen to music a lot when you are traveling, you can just get these headphones. The noise cancellation is just absolutely perfect. Overall, this headphone really great companion to you when you are traveling, and you can just listen to your music when in leisure. So overall, it's a great buy if you are considering not spending around 30,000 rupees on buying Bose headphones. So these are pretty good for 15,000 rupees. So guys, that was my quick unboxing and review of the Sennheiser 4.5 BTNC headphones. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon. My next one. Till then, peace out.